Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2009 PT Cruiser, and what I'm doing is just changing the air filter, and the air filter is right in the front. Let me give you the part number. The part number, if you need it, is SA10192. So the way to change this is you have a clip here, push it down. You have another clip right here, push that down. Now you have these right here, they are just right into the plastic, so you don't want to lift it up because you might break this part right here, and it's one of them, it's three of them, 1, 2 and 3. So basically what you're going to do is just going to grab the air filter, right? You're going to grab it and you're going to pull it forward. Once you pull it forward, it comes out, and it comes out of those clips that I just showed you. It comes out, and all you have to do is just pick it up, hold it with one hand, grab it from here, put the old one to the side, grab your new one, just put it in there, make sure it's flush all around. Look all around, make sure it's flush through here. And what you're going to do, you're going to bring it down, the filter, and the first thing you're going to put is those clips there that I told you about. And what you're going to do, you're going to pick it up. You're going to pick up the filter, right? You're going to pick it up, and then what you're going to do is just put all three of them in there. I wasn't able to do it with one hand holding the camera and doing the filter, so I went and got my teammate. Come on, teammate, hold the camera for me. Okay, point over here, mama. Right in here, look. Okay, get in this corner, right there. So what you're gonna do, you want to put these clips in, right in like this, right in. Once you put them in, make sure that one is in right there. Pick it up, mama. And the one over here, don't go nowhere. And this one, make sure they're all in. Here, mama. Come on around. Right here. And make sure this one also is in. Remember, my daughter's only 5 years old. She's holding the camera. So once you put all three of them there, what you want to do is press it down. Once you press it all the way down, what you want to do is take this, the clip, and bring it up. Point here. Come over here, mama. Right here. Point right here. Then the other clip right here. This one. What you want to do also is bring the filter down, and then just take the clip and just bring it in there. Thank you, baby. So that's how you do it. You just put this. First, you have to put these back in there. 1, 2, 3, and then make sure it's flush all around. Once you push it in like this, you push the air filter down. Once you push the air filter down, you take this clip, you bring it up, then you take the other clip and you bring it up, and you just make sure everything is flush all around. There's no air pockets nowhere, and that's it. And you have done your air filter on your 2009 PT Cruiser. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me at nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. Air filter on a 2009 PT Cruiser. Later.